And on behalf of the resident coordinator and the United Nations system, thank you for giving us this update, providing your key messages and feedback on behalf of the group as to where you stand and what you demand. We do hear you. And given that we might need further conversations, we are open to having those with you, opening a form of dialogue to understand more about how we can continue to support the Nigerian. So with that, I want to provide you with the signed receipt copy of your update and offer to you to set a date and communicate with us for future engagement and dialogue. So we're very grateful to you, and we're very happy to open the lines of communication with you to try to see a positive way forward. So thank you very much.
Thank you.